Alright guys, this is it. This is the 5-minute fast breakdown of the Stranger Things BC Rich Beast guitar that kind of mimics the one that Eddie used in season 4 of Stranger Things. So I'm going to break it down simple. First thing I had to do was I had to pull off all the strings and then remove the bridge of the guitar. After that, sometimes these knobs are really hard to get off, so I had to grab a wrench, pop those off. After that, you got to take the plastics off that are around the pickups. That's the bottom pickup, so I decided to cut the wire to remove it and get it out. After that, it's a matter of taking out the top pickup and cut that wire, and we will reconnect that once we put it all back together. So we're going to take the neck off of the guitar, which has 4 screws, and we're going to put them to the side. There's our neck. After that, we pop off the guitar straps, and then we go back to the front where we're going to take apart the volume controls, the treble controls, and we're going to unscrew those, put them in a safe place so we don't lose them. Pop the buttons through onto the other side, take off the screws that hold the bridge on, pop them out because they are sometimes solid and stuck, so you really got to get in there and don't strip them nor break the front of the guitar as well, the faceplate. So we're going to go back to the back. We're going to pull out all the wiring. We also have the plug-in, which I decided to leave in, but later on I did take it off because I'm going to change up and sand the sides of it. That wasn't my original plan, but I have a good idea of what to do for the outside. So once again, all the wiring is removed and we're gonna move into sanding. So we take it outside, we throw it in the jaw horse, we lock it and clamp it down. And I'm gonna leave you here with some music. You can watch this for the next minute. We'll come back and then we will go and sand the other side of it. But here you go, this is all you. This is my Makita sander, which is just phenomenal, but to actually get this old paint off with the acrylic that they use is crazy because it is so thick, and you definitely need to wear a mask. Watch your hands because you can get hurt, but it took me a while to get this off. So I'll be back in a few for you guys. Alright, so I'm back. So after doing that, we cleaned it up. We decided to flip it over, lock it back into place, grab our sander, and start all over again. This was a little bit easier. Why? I'm not sure. I don't know if they used more latex acrylic on the back, more clear coat. I don't know, but I was able to get it off faster. So as you can see, it's actually a very satisfying project. Just don't breathe it in, and then we clear it all off, and we will be back for the next part. Okay, so finally just about finished. You can see that there's a little divots here or there, so I got out my little hand sander and just sanded it so it's completely flat, and that will be that. After we're done with this, we will take it, bring it back into the shop, grab our air compressor and blow off all this crappy sand, dust, paint, anything that is on there, so that way we can get started on actually pulling it apart and designing it and what we're gonna do. So I decided to sand the front as well, and we'll be moving on to part 2, which is going to be the great fun part of painting and carving.